All right, we're going to just talk real quick about installing our leash and vent plugs. We got to put some solid blocking in the board before the top goes on. The leash just needs a solid piece of wood that gets glued in the board, and the hardware goes in during the glassing process. The difference between the leash and the vent is we have to have some hollow air space underneath the vent so air can get from inside the board up and eventually up through the hole. So we take a solid piece of wood and just cut and chisel a little groove out of the bottom. You can also just take a solid piece of wood and glue a couple pieces of wood, little chine log scraps, if you don't have the right tools to cut a channel. The other trick that we do is this Gore-Tex housing comes with a flange. We like to take it and sand off the flange from the outside so that it's the same diameter as the leash. Then when you install them, it's the same size hole. It keeps things looking a little bit cleaner looking. You have to have a minimum of 3/4 of an inch of wood to sink this vent into, including your top planks, before you wind up hitting this airspace. All right, the other thing you guys might notice on every board, there's a lightning hole up near the nose that is just down at the low end, close to the bottom planks. That's intended to be an alternate location for your vent. So you can take your solid blocking, cut it in half down the middle, and glue it onto either side of your keel. And later on, when you go to install this, that little lower lightning hole becomes your airspace.